Base44 versus Lovable. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Base44 and Lovable, and we're going to be comparing both of them. We're going to be comparing their features, how well they do, their pricing, and we're going to be figuring out which one is the better offer. So let's get into it. Now both of these are AI tools that you can use to create a bunch of stuff. All right, these are text-based tools. These are text-based AI, so you just type in what you want it to do and it will go ahead and create that for you. They have different pricing plans, different projects, and they also support a bunch of different AI tools, and they also support a bunch of different AI engines like Claude, ChatGPT, Sonnet, and you can use all of them. So let's get into it. First, we're going to be comparing Base44 and we're going to be comparing it with Lovable. I have accounts on both of them. I'm actually signed in over here, but creating the account is actually pretty simple. You can just simply click on the get started button. I'm already logged in, so I have to log out. Give me one sec. All right, so here we go. So we're going to go ahead and click on start building over here. And here we can just sign up, using our email account. We used the Google last time, but they also have Apple and other options as well. So, or you can just simply continue with email. It totally depends on you. Like if you click on the sign up button, you can sign up with Google, email, password, whatever option you prefer. It's pretty simple as well, and it's free to use, but there is a pricing plan. So let me just go ahead and show you. We'll compare both of their pricing plan and see which one is better. So here we have Base44, here we have the pricing, and again, very simple text-based option right here, text-based AI. So here is the pricing plans. So there are 4 pricing plans: the free, the starter, the builder, and the pro, and the elite. All right, it starts at $20 per month, which gives you 100 message credits and 2,000 integration credits. You can see right here, which is pretty cool. Credits represent the total number of AI messages and integration actions you can use each month. Each AI message or integration, like syncing data with other apps, uses 1 credit. So you get a bunch of credits, and even in the free one you get like 100 credits and 25 message credits, which is pretty cool, but it's mostly like a free trial, so you can see what you get. You get all the base features and authentication, database and functionality and analytics, so which is pretty cool. But if you go ahead and upgrade, you get even more stuff. So you get more credits, more message credits, you get unlimited number of apps in-app codes within the starter, and unlimited number of apps in-app code edits, backend functions, connect to a domain, and GitHub integrations with the builder one. It's going to cost you $50 per month. Now I do have to make mention that in Lovable you can connect to a data as well. So I already have connected my account, so let me just show you. If I click on the settings, I have labs over here. You can see I have GitHub option right here. I have connected it kind of. So here you can see underneath the integration, I already have connected my account, which is pretty cool. But for this one, you can't do that. So which is a bummer, but for Lovable it is possible. So let me just show you the plans over here and the price of Lovable so you can get a better understanding. So pricing wise, this is the structure right here: free, pro, and business. So it starts at a pro account, which is $25 per month. This is the monthly price. If you go switch to annually, you can save a bunch of options, like say $50 over here. But yeah, this one in the free version, you get 5 daily credits up to 30 per month, which is pretty cool. Public projects, unlimited collaborators, 5 Lovable app domains, and cloud as well, which is a new feature which they didn't have before. And in the pro version, you can see you get all those options, but you get more daily credits and 150 total, and you get 100 monthly credits, usage based cloud plus AI, credit rollovers, which means every credit that you have left in the previous month, it'll add on to the next month as well. Unlimited Lovable app domains, custom domains, remove the Lovable badge, and use role and permissions. So you can see it's $25, but it's $5 more, but it does give you a bit more options when it comes to the starter plan over here. But here you can see you do get more credits and integrations, and we'll see what it does. So now you know how much it costs. So let's go ahead and sign up, and you can use the link in the description below to sign up as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Actually, I'm going to go back and log in with Google account, and I'm going to log in with my Lovable account as well. So this is how Lovable looks like. It's very similar to Base44 as well. You get the text space over here, and here you can describe the app you want. You get your AI options right here. You get the Gemini, the Claude, and there was a ChatGPT option as well, but I think in this version it's not available since I'm using the free plan. And for Lovable uses the Gemini model, which is Google's. So it's a default model for Gemini over here. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So for Base44, I already have one of the apps created. So I basically created I thought I did, but I think I forgot to save it. So I guess I have to create it again. But I basically created a task manager. So I'm going to use that as well. And since Lovable uses Gemini, we're going to switch to Gemini as well. But I think for the default version, I'm going to go with the Claude 4.5. So let's go ahead and describe what we want. So we'll just say that we want a task manager. So we'll just say this and click on next. Now it will take some time. So we're going to pause this video right here. When it's done, then we'll move on to Lovable. And we'll also show you how long it takes. So right now it's 11:44. Let's see when it is completed. All right, so it's 11:43 and it is now complete, and we can see it looks pretty good. And yeah, it gives us the total task over here, to-do list, and we get a color graded options as well. And we get tags, we get statuses and priorities, which is pretty cool. So it actually looks pretty good. So it took us like 3 minutes and it's done. And if we want to make some changes, we can do that as well. So here I'll ask it to go ahead and add like a progress bar at the top. There we go. It looks pretty cool now. There we go. That looks nice. Now we got a progress bar as well. So now let's take this exact same prompt and now we'll paste it in Lovable and then we'll get started. So let's go ahead and hit the send button and see how long it takes Lovable. All right, so it's done. It took us a bit longer than Base44, but it looks pretty similar. You can see right here. It even has like the background as well. It does not have the tags like the ones we have over here, but it does have everything else. It also doesn't have a progress bar, so we can add it as well. So I'll just ask it to add a progress bar. Let's see what it does. And it's done. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Very similar. And we can add new tasks by clicking on this button as well. And on the Base44 also over here. So nice. Then we can just simply go ahead and publish it. We can connect to GitHub over here and add a repository. But for that, we need to upgrade our account. For Lovable, that's not a problem because we already have connected it over here. And we also have this option as well. So you can, manage your Supabase as well. So it's as simple as that. So now you know which one to choose. They're very similar to each other. They're just as fast. And, the main difference is the pricing. Lovable is a bit cheaper, but Base44 does provide you with a bit more options when it comes to plans. And yeah, it also gives you more credits, whereas Lovable only gives you 5 credits. And you can see after completing this, I have 2 credits left, whereas I started with 5. And over here in Base44, this is the AI model right here. We can change it to whatever we want. And I think we need to publish it. Let me publish the app and maybe then we can see or how many credits I have left, because I should have at least 25. I started with 25 and 100 in integration. I haven't connected any. All right, so this is my flow board. This is where I can just manage all of my tasks and stuff like that. I can just simply click on it and it should move them to in progress. But yeah, I suppose we can add that later. All right, so here are my credits. So I still have a few left. So you can see right here, monthly. I only used 2 of them and I still have 3. So again, about the same as Lovable, since I have 2 left over here, the main credits, and 2 over here as well. So they're pretty much same. So thank you guys for watching. Again, you will find the links to both of them in the description below. So make sure you check them out. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.